Dear students, today I want to teach on the topics of work done in rotation of electric dipole in external electric field. किसी इलेक्ट्रिक डापोल को हम एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में रोटेट कराएंगे तो कितना वर्क डन करना पड़ेगा, इस टॉपिक को हम लोग देखेंगे। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस कंसीडर an external electric field E which is represented by these arrow lines. In this external electric field, an electric dipole AB placed along the field direction at point A, negative charge minus q of the dipole, and at point B, positive charge of the dipole. In this condition, force, that is electrostatic force, acted on the charge minus q which have magnitude F barabar q into E, and similar force acted on the charge plus q, that is F barabar plus QE. Direction of this F, that is this force on negative charge, along opposite direction to the electric field, and direction of this force on positive charge along the direction of electric field. In this condition, that is source, that is the position of electric dipole at point A, negative charge of the dipole, and at point B, positive charge of the dipole. If this dipole rotates at angle theta and take up this form, in this condition point A displaced at point A dash, that is minus q charge reached at point A dash, and plus q charge which is placed at point B reached at point B dash. In this condition, negative charge taken displacement AC along field direction, and positive charge taken displacement BD along field direction. ये स्थितियां होंगी. Under this condition, we also take work done step by step. So first of all, we calculate work done due to the displacement of charge minus q. If this work done is W1, then W1 is equal to force F into displacement AC, where F is equal to Q into E, and AC is the displacement of charge minus Q. So that is W1 taken the form F here, W1 is equal to F, that is QE into AC, expression number first. Similarly, let us take work done for charge plus D. It take displacement BD when we rotate electric dipole at angle theta from field direction, charge plus Q displaced distance BD. In this condition, if W2 is the work done due to rotation of charge, rotation of dipole, and this rotation of dipole, in this condition, charge plus Q take up displacement dV, then W2 is equal to QE into BD, where QE is the force applied on charge plus Q. That is expression number 2. In this condition, total external work done due to rotation of the complete dipole, पूरे complete dipole के रोटेशन से जो वर्क डन मिलेगा वो होगा W total work done due to rotation of dipole W is equal to W1 plus W2. Expression number 3. Because Voltage is a scalar quantity, therefore it can be easily added without the use of direction. Hence, from equation 1, 2 and 3, hence from equation 1, 2 and 3, we have from equation 1, 2 and 3, we have substituting the value of W1 from equation 1 at this place and value of W2 from equation 2 at this place. So next, W is equal to W1, that is QE into AC, plus W2, that is QE into BD. Next, total work done is taken as, here let us take W is equal to QE in bracket AC plus BD. AC plus BD. AC plus BD, where AC and BD both have same value. Since AC is equal to BD, then we have W is equal to QE AC plus AC. AC plus AC, because both have same value. So W is equal to QE into 2AC. It implies W is equal to 2QE into AC. Here, let us calculate the value of AC from figure. Next, from figure, it is clear that value of AC from figure, value of AC is equal to AO minus OC. AC, that is AC is equal to AO minus OC. The value of OC subtracted from the total value of the AO. AO, that is half length of the dipole. AO, half length of the dipole. From midpoint, half length of the dipole, left, half length of the dipole, right? It has AC is equal to L minus OC. For the calculation of OC, again we take from figure this triangle, that is COOC, theta A dash. This value is equal to the half length of the dipole L. OC, that is base of this triangle OC A dash, where OC by L is equal to cos theta multiplication of L, get of OC is equal to L cos theta. Then we have OC, AC is equal to L minus L cos theta. L minus L cos theta. Then let us substitute the value of AC, that is L minus L cos theta. Then total work done obtained as W is equal to 2 QE in bracket L minus L cos theta. The value of L taken common, Next, work done W is equal to 2QEL in bracket 1 minus cos theta. And here 2QEL taken in compact form. Then W is equal to 2QEL into E in bracket 1 minus cos theta. Where 2QL, that is electric dipole moment, 2QL electric dipole moment of the electric dipole. Then this step obtained as W is equal to PE in bracket 1 minus cos theta, where 2QL is equal to P. 2QL is equal to P. It is the electric dipole moment of the electric dipole, which has value 2QL. Then total work done due to the rotation of electric dipole at an angle theta is W is equal to PE 1 minus cos theta. Here P is the electric dipole moment of the electric dipole and E is the magnitude of the external electric field in which electric dipole rotate at angle theta from field direction. If we initially placed this electric dipole at an angle theta 0, if this dipole placed initially at an angle theta 0, that is theta naught, from field direction, then this expression take up the form W is equal to PE in bracket cos theta 0 initial angle at which initially electric dipole placed in internal electric field minus cos theta. This expression take up the form of this work done is stored in the form of energy, which is called the potential energy of the electric dipole in external electric field if it rotates at an angle theta from field direction. When electric dipole placed along the field direction and it rotates at an angle theta, then this work done formula take up the form. And if this electric dipole initially placed at an angle theta 0 and it rotates angle theta from theta 0, then this work done formula take up the form W is equal to PE cos theta 0, which is also called theta naught, theta 0 minus cos theta, where theta 0 is the angle at which electric dipole placed initially and theta is the angle of rotation which rotates from theta 0. Then this work done formula take up the form. Okay.